All the chapatis that have come out already. One is already ready to remove it and you see. This is what I'm using to roll a bottle. Hey, lovely and amazing, see and mighty, most welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are in the village and we are making chapati the local way. Come along with me and see how I'm making the chapati. So right there, I mixed my flour, my onions, my warm water, and I'm just going with the ingredients that I have. So I mix the dough, I make the dough, and you can see how hard I'm going in. Yes. So the onions just add a bit of flavor, add some flour. I continue kneading my flour. So hey guys, yeah. So we're making chapati. Yeah, so I'm making chapati in the village. But how do we make it? We don't have a rolling stick, rolling board. Okay, we have the fire. We don't have gas. We're using charcoal stove. So I already made the dough as you saw before. This is what I've rolled. Then I have the flour for the wheat how I do it. Just put here. Then I'm using this table as my rolling board. These are some of the chapatis that I've rolled. These are some of the chapatis that have come out already. One is already to just remove it and you see. Then
And then I did.
so
Listen to YouTube.
So here, I just place it in. I try to enlarge it a bit so the saucepan is small. Just enlarge it up to the saucepan size. And then I put some cooking oil, a little, and not want a lot of oil, so I just put a little oil and on top, a little, and I let it cook. So as it's cooking, since I'm doing it alone, I get some flour I have to roll. So I get one of them. Those there. I'm going to now. This is what I'm using to roll a bottle. So roll this out and come out in a round circle. So you just need to have the skill. You don't need to have the skill. It's the skill that matters here. So just roll, put some flour, and I roll. So it's a little circle. Put your picture in. Don't picture. Roll another. So roll it down. Now just mix my
I'm chilling. I'm chilling.
So I'm rolling. I just use the bottle. Yes, so the bottle. And then I try to make it a round circle. Sorry about the background noise. My family is just outside having fun, catching up since it is Christmas season. So one should not forget the chapati that they had left on fire, and then I'm heating it in the saucepan, or I'm tapping on the chapati that I had placed such that I can reduce the excess oil, and then I can use it. We minimize, yes, in all that we do, we have to minimize on the usage of the things that we are using. So I add 1 spoon, a little more, then after I can turn it, and yeah, I let it fry as I keep on rolling. Yes, I have to keep on rolling. And you can see the kitchen, we're just using the normal village setup kitchen. That is my grandmother's kitchen. So yeah, I'll just roll it. If I feel like the circle is not okay, I first continue and I give it a good shape. And then after, I can be able to place it and I will still check. So leave it down in the comment section. How do you make chapati? Live alone town. If you go to the village, how do you make your own chapati? Am I making it the right way? How do you find the end result? Let's talk down in the comment section. and we see how you do make yours such that I can also learn. So let's enjoy. Wow, crispy, and it was so crunchy, guys. So crunchy. Please give it a try. I didn't have much ingredients, but the little that I had gave me a perfect result that everyone was biting, and actually some people started picking before I completed, just because it was looking amazing. Yes, as you can see, yummy, crispy. Woo! I feel like having some more. I have now finished making. So here, yummy. Now I want to have my breakfast.